Hello guys and welcome to this presentation for entrepreneurs and CEOs who want to increase their B2B sales in traditional line of business, where I will show you how to skip costly trade shows and travels yet increase your company's sales numbers by 1.5 times to 3 times in just 12 months using a systematic approach and automation. So before we get started, here is one of our successful case studies about our collaboration with Epiphonica, an amazing product which help companies to engage and retain their customers with voice and text messages delivered to the right channels. Indeed, it was a very restricted area of business, and still we were able to help them in getting an average of 8 new sales opportunities a week, and the number is still increasing. So, as we all know, with the rise of 2020, everything was working fine. Businesses were all going smoothly. Companies were introducing new technologies. They were introducing new products. They were hiring new salespeople. But as the year moved to March, the pandemic was all over. It was a very chaotic situation, and the people were not aware what will happen next. So at that point of time, many companies start to fail because of the restrictions on travel. There was immobility issues, and your marketing budget in the initial of this year, you might have prepared a list of events to participate, to showcase your products, to demonstrate in front of thousands of people, and you prepared a marketing budget for that, but unfortunately all your planning was demolished. So if you are an entrepreneur or CEO in the traditional line of business like manufacturing or logistics or any other traditional line of business with a working product, some revenue and a strong business thesis, but you haven't solved your sales funnels, because of that you don't have a predictable and profitable way to generate more leads, and you might not have a proven sales process basically that brings in customers, or it could be your affiliate partners or channel partners or maybe like distributors at a price that makes sense. So you might have tried ads, they didn't work. You might have tried outbound prospecting, no results. Maybe you hired a sales team, but because of these immobility issues and the downfall of the market, you might not be able to manage the sales team as well, and they are not able to produce enough leads for your business, which makes you stressed, obsessed, and you are reading all the available stuff in the market related to sales and marketing, let it be books or blogs on internet, but you are even struggling to implement those teachings as well. So obviously, because you are in your business, you know the language, thoroughly know the language of your business, you know the tools, you are technical, you understand the abstract concepts, you understand design and product development, and you know that, or you were on the verge of massive success, but all you need now is just a little bit of help. And you know that once you crack this particular code, your company will worth millions or billions, and that makes you motivated, smart, technical. You are obviously, because you know the concept of developing your product, you have all the resources at your disposal. So all you just need is the right game plan to pull it all together. Here is the core concept. If you understand this, everything will make sense. So in order to grow your business and build a well-planned automated sales system with a predictable and profitable sales pipeline and run your sales on autopilot, you need a great product and a high converting sales funnel. I'm sure that you might already be having one great product. So, and as we know that most of the teams, they do not have sufficient funnel building skills in-house. They seek for outside help. Here, Leadsin is the only company dedicated to helping businesses build incredibly effective automated sales funnels. Here is a quick background of Leadsin professionals. Yannick Tigane, an amazing entrepreneur having 10 years of experience in direct sales and marketing. He has led international sales teams in France, Germany, and Estonia. Since 5 years, he has been an entrepreneur in the field of sales and marketing automation, where he is helping other entrepreneurs. Secondly, this is me, Shubhanshu Chaturvedi. I have 5 years of experience in digital sales and marketing with 4 years of core expertise in inbound marketing and sales generation. And since 3 years, I am also helping businesses in automating their standard sales processes. So let's get started with our first step, that is validate your niche, ideal customer profile and turn them into customers. So if you are an entrepreneur or CEO seeking for a solution to recover from losses or struggling hard to manage your current sales teams, you need to validate your niche or your ideal customer profile first, because as we know that the business algorithms, because of this COVID-19, the business algorithms have changed because of this immobility. So and we know that the implications have been catastrophic for the sales driven companies especially, and to avoid that you need to define the niche and ideal customer profile again. You already might be working with one set of audience, but now as we know that the algorithms have changed, you need to rework a bit. Here, with the help of foundational sales copy, you convey your message which resonates with your target market and reach them through outbound prospecting. Which is a combination of LinkedIn and email outreach programs, because you know it may possible that the person is not very much active on LinkedIn, so you try to reach them with an email where you can describe more about your product. As we know that due to restrictions on travel and low marketing budgets, it is next to impossible to participate in trade fairs or exhibitions. So with the help of a video sales letter on the sales letter page, here sales letter page is a kind of a landing page where you will provide them enough information about your business or the product. So it's kind of a bit different from a normal landing page, because it has certain algorithms where you actually, whose main component basically is the video sales letter, where you can convey your message with a personalized approach amongst your prospects, like who is it for, what are the benefits and features, and you can validate that with the help of some successful case studies. So you can have individual sales letter pages, one for if you are in catering into B2C, you can just give them information about your product, and if you are willing to create affiliates like distributors or resellers, so you can, or channel partners, so you can create an individual sales letter page for them as well, which will be very much technical, depicting the benefits and features or the in and out of your product. So with the help of video sales letter on the sales letter page, you connect with your prospects who are redirected to your website. Then giving a demonstration of your product becomes very easy with VSL and resonates it with your prospects to make them click on the call to action. Now here you can qualify, once they click on the call to action, you can qualify them with the help of a short questionnaire, or else they can easily book a call with you depending on your requirement. If you wish to understand their exact requirement, so you can qualify them and understand that whether this prospect is the right one for your business or not. So now even you can also redirect them to a webinar where you can actually live demonstrate, just like what happens in exhibitions on trade fairs. You have your stand or a booth and you live demonstrate your product to your prospects. So here, but what's the main benefit of webinar? That you can cater thousands of people or hundreds of people at one point of time, and you can answer your their queries as well. So then with the help of a webinar, you can showcase the features or benefits or any other pricing or details about your product to your prospects easily. So once they book an appointment, you can close them easily with your well scripted sales scripts, which already was using by your salespeople. So you just need to optimize a bit because of the changed algorithms. You need to just optimize them a bit. So if you are unable to close them right now, you can retarget them through retargeting campaigns and close them on a later stage. So why retargeting? Because it may happen that they bounce back from your sales letter page at some given point of time without taking any action. So to map their journey where they have left from your website, you can target that specific area and you can retarget that particular person from where he has bounced back from your website. You can retarget them using retargeting campaigns. Here actually you need to orchestrate the right set of sales automation tools to make the self-serve funnel working and letting salespeople close sales faster and effortlessly. In order to successfully expand your business, you need at least 5 to 10 paying customers, or like it could be affiliations or distributor setups. So If not, then you have to start again with the foundational sales copy. You need to rework on your scripts, whether your message is being resonated with the prospects or not. And then you have to, it may happen that you need to rework on your outbound prospecting, like defining the niche, or whether you are reaching to the right prospect or not. Make sense? So here is a flow chart depicting the architecture of how this whole sales process looks like. That you start redefining your niche, you understand the current scenario, their problem, and you already have a solution. So on the basis of that, you prepare your foundational sales copy, and like messages or email scripts and the sales letter page, and then you start the outbound prospecting. So once that your message is being resonated with your prospect, you will make them land on the sales letter page. If it's a B2C, you will have their standard normal non-technical language page to just make them easily understand your product. If it's for the distributors or resellers, you will make them land on the different page, just because they may require to know exactly who is it for, and what are the current buyers persona, and what are the key features and benefits, your competitors, and existing pricing and strategies. So you will you can prepare two kind of sales letter pages and make them land on the appropriate one. Then with the help of a video sales letter, you explain them that who is this product for, and what are the key features and benefits, and you validate with the help of existing case studies or testimonials, whatever you have available with you. Obviously that also has to be aligned and scripted well with the help of foundational sales copy. Then you give them, once you actually give them a sufficient knowledge and build the trust, you give them an appropriate call to action to take them to the next step, where you can like that could be a quiz page to qualify and understand more about their requirement, and to filter out whether the prospect is right for your business or not. And after that, you can redirect them to the booking page, where they can book an appointment at their own convenience. And later you can take them on a call you can give them a demo, or you can talk to them with your sales scripts and convert them into customers. And if your prospect bounces back or jumps out at any given point of time, you map their journey with the help of custom audiences, and then you retarget. But do remember the orchestration of tools, like the tools required for follow-ups, or to retarget the audiences, or to your prospects, and to qualify them on automation. It is very much necessary to have the right set of tools aligned in the right manner. So the second step is to expand and grow your business. So in order to grow your business, you need to actually first validate the step one, because if at any given point of time, if the first step is broken at any given level, you will not be able to expand or grow your business. So once that first step is completed and validated, you need to optimize the self-serve funnel which was created in step one. So you can optimize the scripts, or like messages or emails, and the orchestration of tools. Then it is very much necessary. Why? Because before you start onboarding your resellers or distributors and hire local sales representatives to close them, you need to have the flow, the sales automation up and running, so that you will be getting enough leads for your business on automation. So now the bookings will start coming in your calendar, and will be on automation, and your calendar will be filled. So now next you need to consider hiring commission only sales team, which will reduce your sales costs, and you can close these leads faster because you already understand their requirements. So all you need is to just demonstrate your product and close them. You can further scale with the help of paid advertising by engaging media buyers and engaging more channel partners. And at the time of global expansion, in this crisis also, you may hire commission only sales development representatives. Make sense? So this is how the architecture looks like. You optimize the self-serve funnel, you optimize scripts, tools, and your pricing and offer strategies. And once the leads are qualified and coming in for the appointments, you hire the commission only sales team to close those leads for you. Then you can further scale with the help of Paid advertising, you can optimize your paid campaigns like cold targeting or retargeting campaigns to create more resellers or distributors for your business. You can engage more channel partners. Once you see that you are in your territory, you are producing enough leads, you are expanding and you want to expand your business, you can hire sales development representatives on territory wise through LinkedIn or webinar funnel or VSL, because that will reduce your filtration of the resumes as well. So now you can hire these sales development representatives and close the territory based leads as well. So by the end of this step, you will be able to grow your business by 1.5 times to 3 times. So summarizing it all together, you validate your product market fit, by isolating your niche and get more resellers and distributors or partners, because the market has already changed its algorithm. So you need to revalidate a bit more. Then you build your sales system, which includes video sales letter funnel for niche, and test it using methods like cold email, LinkedIn prospecting, and paid advertising. And lastly, you scale up lead generation and sales using paid traffic campaigns like cold ad targetings or retargeting and a sales team. So if you just did these 3 things, you can survive this pandemic and build a successful and a profitable business. So what do we offer at LeadScene? So we at LeadScene build the sales systems for your business as a service. So we do it in a close cooperation with you, because you are the expert in your field and we have the expertise in building up the sales funnel for your business. So we do it in a close cooperation by understanding combining your expertise, what we can use with our skills to make your sales processes work and generate more sales on autopilot. We understand that you might have a set of tools or a set of sales processes already working. So because before the pandemic everything was going fine, but because of the changed algorithms, now all you need is to analyze them and find the loopholes, make the necessary orchestrations to make the whole sales system work efficiently. Here are some frequently asked questions. Firstly, when can I expect the results? So yes, you will start seeing the results from the very first month. But on the other hand, many companies have not many, but yes, actually every company has a different sales setup. So that's why we take a minimum duration of 3 months to understand your existing processes and make the necessary orchestrations. So we build that as a support system for your business or the sales team. So for that, we actually require a minimum duration of 3 months. And after that, it is up to you whether you want to continue optimizing the sales automation with our help, or you want to do it on your own or with the help of your own team, because by that time you might have gained the sufficient knowledge. Secondly, my business is very traditional and as a very personal approach. Is automation good for my business? So yes, because we are not keeping any of your business algorithms on automation. We are just automating the standard processes which require no human efforts, and you might be wasting a lot of time and money or any kind of resources behind that, like follow-ups or qualifying the leads. Thirdly, I have a sales team in-house. Shouldn't they be doing this? Well, I'm skeptical here because of the changed algorithms. The sales teams have been restricted because of the immobility issues. So yes, they should actually, but then this stuff is quite complicated and most of the employees don't have sufficient knowledge, and so that they may lack a systematic approach. So in order to build an effective support for your sales team, we recommend you take the expert help while setting up the initial funnel and validate them cost efficiently. We don't want to waste or burn your money. Lastly, I have been approached by similar companies before. What's new with your company? So unlike many other companies, we don't just focus on any one part of the sales system like LinkedIn lead generation or sales automation, because we believe having just few parts of the engine in place will not make it an engine. Having all the right parts would require an expertise to make it work. Like in simple words, if I explain it to you, then you might not have the right set of tools. If you have them, you might not have all of them. And if you have all set of tools required for your business, you might not have them properly aligned. So this is where LeadScene comes in. We first analyze the parts you already have in place and complete them with necessary tools and processes. We underline that the only person who truly understands your business is you. So combining your expertise with the sales engine building knowledge of LeadScene, the outcome is a highly effective sales system addressing your target market. Make sense? Process we write a foundational copy, focus on one niche and develop messaging around transformation. Create laser focused video sales letter used for selling or giving them enough information about your product, who is it for, what are the keys and key features and benefits. Then we build a marketing funnel for niche specific content, where end terminal could be a questionnaire or a calendar booking page, depending on the product or service you are into, or the business basically you are into. So then we validate marketing channels like outbound prospecting, paid advertising, channel partners, validate sales process with a junior employee, because this is very much important. Your junior team, that could be a sales team or a marketing team or a customer success team. So these are the people who are actually in touch with your prospects or customers on a daily basis. So they understand what the actual requirement is. So it is very much necessary to validate the sales process with them. Then we validate unit case economics, and we help you to scale lead generation process and scale sales team, basically building up support for your sales team so that they can close your leads effortlessly. Quick benefits: you can validate your sales funnel quickly, get to your revenue goal quickly, remain capital efficient, hire the right people at the right time, build an incredible investment thesis, and build a profitable business. So what are the features of this process? So you get access to foundational sales copy templates, asset templates like articles, video sales letters, webinars, structuring of landing pages or the sales letter pages, creating and launching outbound campaigns, assisting writing your sales scripts, creating email templates for email campaigns, creating opt-in pages and channels. Here in opt-in, you can provide them an additional value with an opt-in feature, like it could be a product brochure or a product catalog or some kind of a PDF or a Word file for explaining more details about your product. Then plan paid traffic campaigns, plan and create webinar, or hire sales team if it is required. So after hearing all these things, you have now two options. Either you can do it by yourself, however it could take you a long time to isolate your niche. Obviously we do not have time is running out, and you could struggle building your initial funnel and validating it with free sources. If you don't have strong copywriting skills, the funnel would not function, because it's very much important to resonate your message with your prospects. You could struggle with outbound prospecting. It could be a wrong message or a wrong sequence, or you might be using wrong tools, and that it may happen that it will create a strike for your account. You could struggle with validating cold traffic and scaling out outbound prospecting. It's extremely challenging to line up all the pieces properly, and to do that you have to spin multiple plates. If you have never done this before, there is a good chance you will fail or run out of money. Secondly, if you opt in to work with LeadScene, we work with you and your team for 3 to 12 months to help you set up and validate your funnel. You save months, if not years. You can test ideas, markets, and offers quickly without spending much money. You stop failing. You actually maximize your profits. You can get your investor returns. You can scale profitably. You build the right product for the right person at the right time. It will be easy for you to raise money if you wish to do so. And obviously you decrease stress levels and uncertainty. So once again, it is for the entrepreneurs or CEOs who have a developed product and affected by the immobility caused due to COVID crisis. But you might be worried about sinking money and resources, and you have spent a lot of money on unproductive tools or teams. Now you must be having one more question in your mind, that will it work for my business? My business is very traditional kind of business. So will it work for it? It seems to be kind of a more digitalized service. So, but yes, it will work for your traditional business as well, because it has world-class strategy with complete package of resources, templates, wireframes. It's a proven method for selling high-ticket businesses, which is backed up by successful professionals. And as I mentioned, that we at LeadScene, we build the sales system for your business as a service. We do it in a close cooperation with you, because you are the expert in your field and have the expertise what we can use to make your sales processes work and generate more sales on autopilot. So at any given point of time, you don't lose your traction. Wrapping it all up, now the next step would be below this video. You can see a button, just click on it, fill in a short questionnaire about your business, and you will be redirected to the booking page where you can book an appointment with us at your convenient time for a quick discovery call and get a tailored quotation for your business.